spaces, the thin spaces of my mind. And I can hear other voices, but I don't know who to confide in. I need to learn to trust. Sometimes it just gets too much. So have you heard me? Well, you gotta strive, and you gotta try. It's hard. That's life. We don't know how. You got to let things go. We gotta take things kinda slow. Yeah. And then we all still smile. Shot on a window, I closed my eyes. I dreamt that I was a butterfly and could fly.